Good morning, vlog. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Y'all, we are about to go to Miami for a weekend sister trip. I'm so excited. The group chat like did what it was supposed to do. And here's Ty. Say I stink. Why they just blink at the camera and don't say nothing? I don't know.
Hey y'all.
I need to go.
It's right here.
We're going to Miami. We actually finna be on the way to the airport right now. And yeah, our flight is at 2:30. Right now it is 9:16. Y'all probably like, baby, why is y'all leaving this early? Cause baby, we've been up since 6:30 and we just not leaving the house. So imagine.
I've been up since 8.
Good, they've been up since 8. I've been up since 6:30. I've been up since 6:30.
I don't know what's going on, and I kept telling them shit.
Anyways, y'all, let's get this vlog started, baby. My name is Jasmine. This is my YouTube. We lit over here, so make sure y'all subscribe. And if you're a returning watcher, hey girl.
Why the fuck you just say that?
You got the big suitcase because you big mom. Oh, thank you so much.
Clock it. Sorry.
Y'all, honey bun with ruffles, best combo.
There's nothing left up there.
Oh hell nah, he look like he do not know how to drive.
I gotta put the luggage in the car. Okay, in the fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
All right, y'all. A lot has happened since I talked to y'all last time, but oh my god, it's cold. It's not gonna be cold outside. This is the fit.
Oh, this smell kind of cute.
This is the fit. We are at this burrito place. What is it called, y'all? Bangaya. Whatever.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary.
All right, y'all, we about to dig in. Everybody got their video after this? Come on, Laura. All right, y'all, we at this taco spot. We finna eat our first bite. Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay, that's good. Bruh.
Let me get some else.
Bro. And this is right by our house, bro. We eating this every day. Trader Joe's one got hot chips and shit like that. That's what we about to do, y'all. We about to go to Trader Joe's, get some groceries for the Airbnb, and then we are going to go back to the house, put on shirts, just mainly because it's dark outside and we walking around by ourselves. And then we're gonna probably try to walk to the beach, just so I can show y'all like what the area, how it look around. Look at this city, like we made it to the.
No, wait. No, I'm leave.
Okay, I'm not gonna embarrass Laura today. I'm not gonna embarrass her tonight. That's alright. I think I got this loud, bro.
Wait, where we at?
Hey vlog, right now we are at this restaurant, y'all.
Don't show my plate.
Ask me, was the food good? Ask me, was the food good? Ask me, was the food good, baby? It was great, actually. But anyways, y'all, tomorrow is when everything really starts. Today was kind of just like a chill, you know, get everything together, kind of come see what the vibe is type of night. But yeah, so tomorrow is when everything really is gonna like start. Everything, I'm excited. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning, babes. It is day uno. No. Well,
Dos, babe.
but the girls that watch me, I always count the second day. Like, I don't count the travel day as day one. I count day one as the full day, like when I wake up here. But it's officially day one, technically day two of our Miami weekend. Right now, we are about to get ready to go to the beach. And yeah, we just gonna have like a beach day today. Go to the beach, walk around, lay on the sand, get in the water, and then we're gonna come back here later on, get dressed, go to lunch, and probably just find something to do later on.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little baby. In the meantime,
Fuck who you like. Come in the camera.
Yeah, like you like the break or something.
My damn nails. Laura, come on.
I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot.
hours later, we have finally made it out the house.
Did you say 10?
Y'all, it's so hot out here. That walk here was too hot. But yes, we're just relaxing. I also have food and beverages at the little kiosk up there, so we're gonna go. We are at this taco place again, y'all. Look at this, baby. This literally looks so good. I can't wait to eat up, but I have to take my pictures first, so one sec. Oh, and I have a Sprite. If you ever in Miami, come to this place, bro. How much was these? I think we got six tacos and drinks for $45.
I'm not meaning to call you.
All right, cheers. Y'all want a bite? Y'all get the first bite.
Why hell people do that, honey? Oh my.
But anyway, so right now we are about to walk around. I'm gonna see if there's like a park or like a little cute area around us. And then honestly, after that we might just go home, chill a little bit more, and then tonight we're going to get a ride. We're gonna get a ride to the art district and we're gonna walk around. I think they have like a little night festival that they do sometime, or like a night market. Oh, we should find a night market. That'd be so cute. So yeah, those are the plans, baby. Well, they got a rooftop. Oh my god, y'all. It's literally so cute. Her ass just in the middle of Miami somewhere. Don't even know where the fuck she is for real. Good morning, vloggy vlog. We are on our way to get some McDonald's. After that, we are going to go home, eat. That's if we don't eat it in here. I low-key want to eat it in here. That way we could just go to the store and then go back to the house and get ready for brunch. But yes, I say hey to the vlog this morning. Hey vlog. It is day 3, but officially day 2. Officially day 3, but technically day 2. Because the first day, yeah, our second full day. Oh, we got 10 seconds.
No, that say stop for 10 seconds.
No, they say stop in 5 seconds. But yes, isn't it so beautiful? Like, I love this area. And we are here at Mickey D's. Y'all be matching cards. You also have a bra top. It's middle child syndrome for me. Orange juice. Yeah, McDonald's got literally one of the best orange juices, baby. One of the best. What the fuck is she looking at me like that? And then let me show y'all what else I got.
Alright, you ruffling too many feathers.
She great. Thank you.
My son's going good.
Show y'all. Ooh. This right here, baby. This is the breakfast for the champions.
That's what you want.
Bitch, I won a lot of shit before you was even born. Bitch, I won first child.
That wasn't a fucking
I won
race.
first child. Y'all, we on these bikes, y'all. We on these bikes, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all look. Y'all, we riding these bikes around Miami. Period.
Get hot.
Tired. I'm energized. I'm loving this. Laura?
I feel good. I just. Lots of that.
All right, so
I got the least clothes on.
POV, you're driving through Miami on a bike. We back at the room. We are about to go up and get dressed. Oh my God, it feels so good in here. I'm so hot. Hey vlog, we are now at the restaurant. This is Laura's outfit. Sit up, Laura. And then she got the black purse to go with it and the black shoes and the guns for real. And Tata, she got on purple. Real cute. And I got on white. Cute. But yeah, this is really a very nice. Like, I cannot wait to walk around, take pictures, and just see what they have. So let's get into it.
It feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. When gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
Y'all, we look so cute in our outfits. Like Laura, looking real hot. Tata looking real Tawanica-ish.
Alright, come on. Every time I ask to go, do everything.
Oh, beautiful. They have the Louis Vuitton store over there. They have the Dior store right
They
there.
got Cartier.
And this is the Cartier store right here. This is the Laura. This is the Thai
Yeah, the most
Beauties.
expensive shit over there.
Beauty's the most expensive things here. Period. And y'all already know. I ain't even gotta say nothing. All right, let's go this way.
It feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once.
How freaking beautiful.
Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby. In the meantime, it's some me time.
Oh my God, so much I want to see.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go to the baby. In the meantime, it's some me time.
It's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like.
Hey y'all.
I get this.
It's our last day and we mad about it.
You mad? I'm ready to go home.
Lori ready to go home. She missed her bed, her anime, and her Netflix series. Me personally, all I have waiting for me at home is a motherfucking job and school. So this is my last day outfit. Real cute. It's giving 5-star bitch, you know?
Here.
Thanks. We're about to go to the beach and then we have a private yacht later on.
Jazz, the strongest one.
I said I'm not holding it today. I done held it.
Jazz, please.
They want me to hold this bag. I'm not holding that bag.
Paper, scissors.
Y'all too. Rock, paper, scissors. Real bitch and they fuck with my anxiety. Look at this y'all. Y'all, we have made it to the beach.
Okay.
We need to get us some towels and some umbrellas.
We got towels.
Hey, how y'all doing?
How are you?
Is this where we come get chairs and umbrellas?
Yeah.
Okay, how much for a chair?
It's on. Jazz said that.
Yeah, this how it's set up. We got an umbrella and our towels laid
Alright,
out,
my
some
love.
drinks, and y'all already know. Hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
The tequila. And we lit, y'all. We at the beach. I have to take this little stank pictures real quick and then we're gonna go to the water. But yeah, it's the vibes. Y'all, they just had me in that water. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. What they doing on this beach? Get the fuck off him. She was just on top of him. But yes, y'all. I'm about to go meet my family because they out here. Hey vlog, we have made it to the boat. We are sitting here waiting on our captain to come and then we'll be ready. It got pushed back from 4:30 to 5:30 and right now it is what time, y'all?
5:19.
It's 5:19, so we still got a couple minutes to wait. It's a liquor store across the street, so I'm about to go get me some Patron. And yes, y'all, yeah, other than that, we just been chilling, took some cute pictures. We're gonna get some food after this. We got some snacks from CVS to have on a boat. Let's get it, baby. We're gonna go on this boat and have the litest fucking time, period. We need to be making a playlist right now. Laura.
I already got my playlist.
Okay, she already got the playlist, baby, period. Y'all know what I have been addicted to saying, like, I don't know why it's stuck in my head. Whenever JT on that song, she was like, I'm low-key, bitches fuck with my anxiety. Like, why? Why is that in my head? I don't know, y'all. I honestly could not tell you. Look at my sister, baby. She is too fucking cute. Step back to your whole outfit. Yeah. How y'all sisters look? How they sisters look? Okay? Y'all sisters look okay? Chill. Let me stop playing because I have some badass followers. Y'all is pretty as fuck. Look out. Alright. Lick it. Secure the bag. Now we're back across the street.
I'm scared too.
Why?
They drive too crazy.
They do drive crazy out here.
That horn boy.
They drive crazy and okay. All in all, I would rate this trip a 9 out of 10. The only reason it's really not a 10 is because the nightlife really is kind of like 21 and up. They don't really have anything like a night festival or anything that we found or we seen. I'm not saying that Miami doesn't have that at all. I'm just, we ain't see it, you know? But really, other than that, it's really been like super fun. We woke up every morning on time. We got dressed.
We're waiting for a boat?
Yes.
With kids at 5:30.
Yes. But yeah, other than that, like, it's really been like a good time. I love Miami and I cannot wait to come back. I'm not sure. Yeah, we're really spoiled as hell. Just look at them. Ain't no Reese's. Yeah. That's what
You have to tell me, do you want to dance or you want to listen to like real good reggae?
they always do that same this. They always do the same thing. Look at this big ass boat. This looks like the boat that Drake was on, remember? On that video?
Will you be my leading lady?
Alright y'all, once again our bags is way too heavy. But I think we got it. So let's check in.
Me time.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Alright, all checked in. These are gonna go in the bag. Let's go.
Me time.
It's not going where I want it.
Me time.